Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Bossman Brands YouTube channel. I'm your boy, Stephen Condon. Today I want to reintroduce a product that is gaining so much traction. It's blown up. It's one of our top selling products, and I want to reintroduce it because I just want to educate you about it and what it's doing these days. So what is it? It is the Bossman's Beard, Hair, and Body Shampoo Bar. And just like it sounds, it helps out with all those things. You can use it just like shampoo. You can wash your body. It makes your body feel amazing. You can even shave with it. But the best thing is it's not full of all those foaming agents, so you can wash your beard so it won't strip those natural oils and create that itch. So don't be using those cheap bar soaps full of foaming agents. So what's it look like? It looks like this. Alright, it's packed full of nutrients to help moisturize like charcoal, oats, shea butter, cocoa powder, rosemary, all sorts of stuff that's going to help clean and moisturize your face. So when you get out of the shower, you feel like $1,000,000, and it even makes your beard soft. So all these reviews we're getting, it's not only just helping with their beard. I mean, I've heard of people it clearing eczema, helping with acne, dandruff especially in their hair, psoriasis. I have even had ladies email me telling me that it's helping with their baby's rashes. I don't know, never would have thought it would have happened, but pretty dang cool to me. It's only $9.99. You can get 3 for $20. It's on Amazon. It's on bossmanbrand.com. And the cool thing is we also sell a couple extras with it. We have a travel case, a Bossman travel case. Pretty cool. We also have a shower soap tray. Pretty sweet little soap tray there. You can get those on bossmanbrand.com also, or the web or Amazon. So, that's our soap. We're really proud of it, and I want to just keep it going and help out as many people as I can. So go check that out, guys, and thanks for tuning in, and subscribe below if you haven't. I'm Stephen Condon. Thanks again. Peace.